So hello guys, welcome to the new video of the channel. On today's video, I am going to explain you that why retail traders are the liquidity. Okay, now here you will see that many people will tell that basically you got trapped by liquidity, you got trapped by some reason, your entry was late, your entry was early, any shit people can tell you, but I am going to tell you mathematically that why you become like the liquidity and how you guys can also get rid of it, because not every time being get out of the trade does not mean that it should be a liquidity sweep. Maybe it was calculated mathematically, because आप लोग जो सोचते हो ना, बस you think of like your own selves, you doesn't think that what the other peoples are doing. Okay, that's why I say on live stream and everywhere that like think like 90% but execute like 10%, because if you don't know what the 90% people are doing, you supposedly cannot like make it na. What you need to do is you have to be unique. So how you can be unique, you have to think, you have to understand that what the other peoples are doing, so that you can do it like in an exception way. Okay, now again if I come on there, okay, because like if I go to explain you, basically smart money used to treat you as their businesses. Okay, because what is a retailer mindset? Basically the retailer mindset is, if a high got broken, I'm going to enter there, my stop loss will be below that. Suppose it's on a support zone, you guys will try to enter on buys only, right? So that buys only. Okay, and what were your stop loss? The like a little bit down from the support zone, that's exactly a calculative entry. Okay, here smart money is going to trap you. Like you will not understand the way why you got trapped, but yeah, when your SL got out, you can think that it's a trap. Okay, now I'm going to explain you here mathematically and by probability that how you can do it and how you can escape from this matrix. Okay, let's come on the screen first. So I hope my screen is visible. Basically now what I am going to trap you is, suppose imagine there are 1,000 traders. Okay, 1,000 people were trading and most of them are like, suppose this is a zone, here you have got a breakout of a candle. Okay, here you have got that breakout of the candle, and supposedly if there is like resistance, like here if it was a resistance zone, I am sorry guys, it was a resistance zone, and here it's a support, and supposedly if price were done a breakdown, okay, what you will do, maximum people who are watching this video going to short here and the stops below this, and yeah, you can simply expect for 1:2, maybe the normal retailer trader risk reward anything. So what are you doing the wrong thing here? First, if I go again on there, this was your, I'm sorry guys, so this was your zone. Okay, and you have seen that price moves like this, this and breakdown. Okay, now it has shown a breakdown, and like simply if normal a person is trading, he will think that our stops will be there, right? Okay, like this place is calculated when you are trading like this. Okay, like you are giving chance to people to calculate your stop loss, and so that they can hunt you. Okay, so what it creates a mathematical imagination in a investor mind or the other traders mind or HNI clients. Okay, दे पीपल केम टू नो, या क्योंकि इसके ऊपर तो लिक्विडिटी पूल बना है ना, दिस इज द प्लेस वेयर देयर इज द फुल लिक्विडिटी पूल ओवर देयर. लिक्विडिटी पूल्स मीन बेसिकली अ जोन वेयर देयर इज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल्स लिक्विडिटी आर देयर. ओके, देयर लाइक you are like 70%. I am expecting that 70% could short here when price shown there, and it will high. भाई क्या करेंगे लोग, थोड़ा बफर दे देंगे, and you will see that the buffer is getting stopped out by a wick of a candle. Okay, कैंडल में क्लोजिंग नहीं मिलेगा, बट एक वीक आएगा, ये स्टॉप लॉस उड़ा देगा, फिर अगेन इट विल मूव इन योर डायरेक्शन. ओके, सो वन प्रोबेबिलिटी इज दिस, एंड सेकेंड प्रोबेबिलिटी इज प्राइस जब इसको रीटेस्ट करेगा, फिर जाके हम लोग एंट्री लेंगे, दे विल थिंक दे आर डूइंग इट स्मार्ट, बट अगेन भाई एंट्री करते ही ये लेके चला जाएगा तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस. ओके, नाउ इट्स आई एम गोइंग टू talk to you about the position logicking. Okay, position logic. What is position logic? Come on the screen again. Now, what does a price, like when a person is trading in a narrative, basically when a people is buying on a point, what do you need here? Suppose if I want to buy on the zone 5157, okay, what I if I want to buy, I need sellers on this point. When will you execute your orders? When buyer will be equal to sellers, okay, but when it is not equal to sellers, you cannot execute your order, right? And here, suppose I want to buy at your stop loss zones, people are sitting over who are willing to sell. Okay, that's the thing basically. Now, another thing, when you will see that all the hunting kind of things are done, what you will notice is price is not giving you any time, like it's not giving any way to enter you on the trade. Okay, now, what retailers, like honestly, if I talk about retailers provide here both buyers and sellers. Okay, now retailers buys at a breakout, and the stop losses sits below the structure, which I have already told here. I have made a script, guys, so that's why I'm bit like fluffering while telling you. Okay, now I have told that institution think of it when your stops get hunt, and your stops initially get hunt because they know where you are going to enter, where you are going to lose your money. They already know you are trading every day. If you are losing every day, many people will get understand that what are you doing. Okay, and here those stop losses of you later treated as the market order. Okay, the stop losses becomes the market order. Okay, and what you will think, suppose here these are both side, अगर इसको ले लिया, you will think it's a manipulation. Okay, yeah, it's definitely a manipulation, but it's just a trap done by the institutions anywhere. It's a mathematical calculative positions which was taken by the people. Okay, now again, if I go on the zone, I have told you everything which creates a liquidity pool and everything I have described you. Okay, now that's why again, which I have told you again a little bit later previously, that why it is, suppose the price has taken this. Okay, now again go take like this, and this happens, this momentum happens. Okay, because why this happens, because when the price wants to move in the favor you think after taking your stop loss, price does not want to enter on there and make profits, and nobody wants you to make profits in the market except you. Okay, now if you stop want to become the liquidity, I have explained you mathematically, psychologically, like everywhere, like 70% of the people are doing the same mistake and 90% are loss making, because 20% not doing this mistake, but still they are doing the execution wrong. Okay, so if you want to stop being the liquidity, stop thinking like an individual trader. Let me stop the recording first. Individual trader, then start thinking it like a system, that like how can I run this which will create a suppose different impact. Okay, think it. And one powerful framework is, instead of asking to yourself that why should I entered here, okay, ask yourself that why I had entered here, knowing that 70% of the people are going to enter there. Okay, when you will go, I have told now, like, think like everyone, but execute like the rest of the people who are not executing. Okay, so again, the market does not targeting you personally. It's all a full planned algorithmic institutional game. Play responsibly. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to join the Telegram. Bye.